Hi, Jaden. Hello, Javon. Hello, Alyssa. Morning, Miss Steinsberger.
Morning.
Hello, Alyssa.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hello, Nate.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Keon. Hi, Patience. Hello, Calara.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Wise.
Good morning, Patience. Hello, Kylie. Hi, Sam. Hi, Des. Hi, Danny. Hi, Lamont.
Mr. Weiss.
Good morning. Hi, Janaya. Hello, Jaheim. Hi, Jamara. Hello, Jordan. Hi, Zach.
Hey,
Hey.
Hey, do we have Delta Math today?
Today it's going to be a form. I didn't like my options for Delta Math today, so I'm doing it on a form.
I found a fun punny joke the
Oh,
other day.
really?
Yeah,
Let's hear it.
I love the way the earth rotates. It really makes my day.
Nice. Where'd you find that?
My nephew told it to me. I'm like, what?
Okay,
He's 7. I'm surprised he
that's very good.
yeah.
Morning, Aiden. Hello, Jaden. Nate, if you want to take a look at what today's assignment will look like, you can click on the link in the chat. Not sure if any of you will get this joke. Why are toilets always so good at poker? They always get a flush. A flush is a very good hand at poker. Why is Peter Pan always flying? Because he never lands. Do you hear the rumor going around about butter? Never mind, I shouldn't spread it. Two windmills are standing on a wind farm. One asks, "What's your favorite kind of music?" The other replies, "I'm a big metal fan." The first rule of the Alzheimer's Club is, wait, where are we again? I took the shell off my racing snail, thinking it would make him faster. But if anything, it made him more sluggish. What do you get from a pampered cow? Spoiled milk. It was so cold in DC the other day, I saw a politician with his hands in his own pockets. Why doesn't Dracula have any friends? Well, honestly, he's a real pain in the neck. My teachers told me I'd never amount to much since I procrastinate so much. I told them, just you wait. All righty. So, I meant to tell you, a number of you left when I remembered this. 2 weeks from yesterday, January 20th is the last day for any past due assignments. If you're behind on any of your assignments, you've got 2 weeks to turn them in for any credit. Okay. The semester ends in 3 weeks on the 27th. So I will accept any past due assignments up until the 20th. So if you're behind and you want to catch up, you've got 2 weeks to make it happen. I also ask that you please check your grades. All right. If there are any assignments that you've done that I did not give you credit for, please let me know so I can give you appropriate credit. All right. Some of you may have done some old assignments, and if I just don't know about it, I'm just not checking unless you tell me to check. Okay. So please let me know if there are any old assignments I need to check. Okay. Hola, Jennifer. Good morning, Sophia. Okay. Also, if you did not do quiz 8 before the break, the day before break, we had class. The only thing I did was give you a quiz. If you didn't do it, you need to get that done. Okay. All righty. Okay. By the way, Riley, I don't know if I said hello this morning. I think I was.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right. Anyone have anything new and exciting to report today? Okay.
Oh, I sewed a patch on my pants yesterday.
Fantastic.
Yeah. That was cool.
Nice.
I started a new job site in next to Jennifer Elementary School.
Next to Jennifer Elementary School?
Yes, next to it.
What?
They're making towers, and it's going to be a senior center.
So are you helping construct this senior center?
Yeah, I'm a excavator crew.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow. Is this like a regular job for you?
yeah. It's basically a full-time job, really.
That's fantastic. So you're like one of those people that it's already set once you graduate high school, right?
Yeah,
That is outstanding, because that's like big money. You're
I mean,
doing
right
well.
now, because of school and stuff, I'm doing like a little less than 30 hours a week. Making like 26 an hour though.
Nice. That's nice money. Wow. Do you know, like, if the company that you're working with, I'm always trying to help other people like get jobs. Do you know if they're looking to hire more people or?
Yeah, we're always hiring. We need people to lay pipe down and stuff. More people who can dig.
Interesting. All right, I'm gonna. Hey, Kylie, York College. Nicely done. Very good.
Thank you.
Anybody else get accepted, early acceptance to colleges?
I did.
Where, Patience?
I have a few, but my top one is Spelman College.
You said you got accepted to where?
Spelman College.
Tillman?
Spelman.
Spelman. Very nice. Good job. Awesome. Very good. Oh, nice. Zach, we talked to a Marine recruiter. Do you feel that that's the route you're going to go after high school? Do you think it's Marines or somewhere in the service?
Yes, sir.
That's fantastic. That is really great. Is anybody else planning to go into the service? Any of the armed forces? Well, that's really great. All right. Okay. All right. This is one of those things that makes students panic that should not make you panic. All right. And I'm hoping to turn this into something that makes your life easier. All right. So you look at this and you're thinking fractions. Oh my God, fractions. I hate fractions. All right. This is going to be easy if I need you to believe it. If you believe it's easy, it is. Okay. Because, first of all, 3 over a plus 4 over a is simply 7 over a. That's it. Okay. That's all you got to do. I know you're thinking, okay, Weiss, it's not all that easy. I know. All right. So now look at this. Do you see that this is 15m squared n and this is 15m squared n? Okay. So it's the same denominator, meaning that your answer will have 15 m squared n on the bottom. Now over here, we have 7x and 3y. Are those like terms? No. So all I do is write 7x minus 3y. Why is my computer doing that? That is not what I want. All right. And this is my answer. 7x minus 3y all over 15m squared n. You just leave it like that. Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying to you here? Thank you, Jennifer. Aiden, Jaden, Janaya, Jaden, Keon, Jaheim, Sophia, Alyssa, Lamont, Kylie, Zach, thank you. By the way, good morning, Sophia. Good morning, Andre. Thank you, Des. Good morning, Trey. Thank you, Andre. Thanks, Zach. Okay. Thank you, Des. Okay. Next. Once again, you see that 3r squared t is the same denominator. My answer will have 3r squared t in the denominator, okay? So the numerator, the top, is this minus this. Now be careful with the minus, okay? Because what we have here is 5a plus 7 minus this whole thing, 7a plus 4, which means you have 5a plus 7 minus 7a and then minus 4. You have to distribute the negative. Okay. So 5a minus 7a is negative 2a. 7 minus 4 is positive 3. And you're done. There's no more you can do with this. That's it. Okay. By the way, could I have written this as 3 minus 2a over 3r squared t? Sure. If you want to, instead of putting the negative 2a first, you want to put the negative 2a last, that's fine. Okay. Either way. May I have another thumbs up if we're still good, please? Jennifer, thank you. Aiden, Jaden, Sam, Daz, Riley, thank you. Kate, Kylie, Shamara, Andre, Jordan, thank you. Janaya, Zach, thank you. Andre, Sophia, Kylie, thank you. Melissa, thank you. Good. Okay. All right. Now, here, notice that we have different denominators. I should have done this first. I just thought of this. I'm sorry. I'm going to. Oops. What if I said this? I'm going to say, if I said 1/3 plus 1/4. All right. I know, adding fractions. Remember, we have to find a common denominator. The common denominator is 12, right? Right? So 3 times what makes 12? 3 times 4 makes 12. Whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. Whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. So if I do 3 times 4, I've got to do 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. Over here, 4 times 3 is 12, right? Whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. Whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now we can add, right? 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12 is 7 over 12, right? Everyone okay with that? Can I please have a thumbs up if we're clear on what I did there? Thank you, Sam, Jennifer, Janaya, Alyssa, Javon, thank you, Miss Steinsberger, Aiden, Jaden, Jennifer, Sophia, Jamara, Jaheen, Jordan, Daz, Kylie, Jaden, Lindsay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good. Okay. Now I want to go back to this guy. Okay. 1 over A plus 1 over B. Now, how did we get 12? How did we get 12 as the common denominator here? Didn't I use 3 times 4, right? So guess what? What's the common denominator of A and B? Does it make sense that the common denominator for A and B is going to be AB? That's the common denominator. Because this one over here, the common denominator is 3 times 4, right? Because 3 times 4 is 12, I just write 12. But, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, A times B is AB, right? So, A times what makes AB? Doesn't A times B make AB, right? Whatever you do to the bottom, you gotta do to the top. Whatever you do to the bottom, you gotta do to the top. So what's 1 times B? 1 times B is B. And there you go. All right. Over here, B times what makes AB? B times A, right? Whatever you do to the bottom, you gotta do to the top. Whatever you do to the bottom, you gotta do to the top. 1 times A is A. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, can you combine B and A? No. So just write B plus A over AB. You're done. Mr. Weiss, could I write A plus B over AB? Yes. That's it. No more. Stop working. Okay? You can't cancel the A's. You can't cancel the B's. Okay? Because if you've got a plus sign, a plus or a minus, you cannot cancel. Okay? If it's times, you can cancel. But if it's plus or minus, you're done. May I please have another thumbs up if you're clear about what I just did there? Jennifer, Jaden, Sam, Daz, Clara, thank you. Ms. Steinsberger, thank you. Aiden, Javon, Sophia, Andre, Jordan, Daz, Lamont, thank you. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Next. Same thing, all right? 3 over m plus 4 over n, okay. What's the common denominator? mn, right? M times n. So here, m times what makes mn? Well, I had to multiply that one by n, right? So what's 3 times n? 3n. Over here. What did I multiply n by? I multiplied n by m. So what's 4 times m? 4m. Can I combine 3n with 4m? No. So my answer is 3n plus 4m all over mn. Mr. Weiss, could I write 4m plus 3n over mn? Sure. Okay. Over here, same thing. Don't let, just because there's more stuff, don't let it confuse you. Okay. the denominator, the common denominator is xy, right? X times y. X times what makes xy? X times y. So what's 11a times y? 11ay. Y times what makes xy? Y times x. What's 3b times x? 3bx. Can I combine those terms? No. Just write it out. 11ay minus 3bx over xy. Oh my God, that looks so complicated. It's easy though, isn't it? All I did was multiply y here and x here and then just write it out, right? You're sorry, huh, Raz? I see how it is. It's all good, Raz. All right. So that is the basics right there, okay? So now what I'm going to do is, actually, I'm going to do nothing different at this point, all right? It's just the problems are going to get like bigger. But it's the same thing, all right? First of all right, here you already have a common denominator. So can I combine 5y and 2? I cannot. My answer is just 5y plus 2 over 12y to the 4th. I'm done. Wait, can I cancel the 2 and the 12? No, there's a plus sign. Don't do it. You're done. Stop working. This is why people struggle. People struggle because they think they're not done at this point. There must be more. No, you're done. Well done. Good job. Thank you. Move on. That's it? Yes, that's it. Easy, man. Look at this one. Now here, just be careful. What do I mean? I mean this. You have the denominator is common, right? It's a common denominator. So we're just going to take 3x minus this whole mess, 6x minus y, which means we have to distribute the negative. It's 3x minus 6x, but it's going to be plus y, okay? 3x minus 6x is negative 3x plus y, okay? So what's my answer? My answer is negative 3x plus y over 15xy. Done. Finished. Stop working. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, just be ready for this today. Because today's problems I gave you, it's multiple choice. Meaning, if you see y minus 3x instead of negative 3x plus y over 15xy, do you agree that that is the same answer, right? Okay. By the way, they could do this to you, and I apologize for this. If it said y minus 3x over 15yx instead of xy, why would they do that? I don't know. Sorry, but they might. Just, it's the same shiznizzle. Same shiznizzle. Can I have a thumbs up if everyone's still okay here? Aiden, thank you. Zach, Sam, Javon, Riley, thank you. Jennifer, Jaden, Janaya, Daz, Andre, Riley, thank you. Trey, thank you. Lamont, thank you. Thank you, Andre, thank you. Good, okay. Kylie, thank you. All right. Moving right along. Okay, again, common denominator, no problem. Okay, but this time, notice we've got plus. So that's not a problem. Now I don't have to worry about changing the signs, right? It's plus. Plus is just plus. I'm just going to jump right to the answer. Here we go. Because it's a common denominator. So 16x to the third on the bottom. What is x plus x? X plus x is 2x. What's negative 2y and negative 5y? Negative 7y. Done. That's it. Common denominator again, but this time it's minus, right? Minus the whole thing, meaning it's going to be minus x and it's going to be minus 2y, right? Let's jump right to the answer. 36 is the common denominator, 36x. What's 3x minus x? 2x. What's negative 5y and negative 2y? Negative 7y. Easy. Okay. Okay, now the denominators are different. Would you agree that the common denominator is 5b squared? Because 5b squared is 5b squared, and 5 goes into 5b squared, sorry, right? Can I please have a thumbs up if everyone is okay just with that much, that 5b squared is the common denominator? Aiden, Jaden, Jennifer, Jamara, Sophia, Jordan, Sam, Calera, Jaden, Hamlet, thank you. Daz, Zach, Riley, thank you. Jaheim, thank you. Okay. Roz, thank you. Okay. Riley, thank you. Okay, good. All right. So over here, since the 5b squared didn't change, 6 doesn't change. In other words, it's times 1, right? Same thing. But over here, this guy here is times b squared, right? So what's 2b times b squared? That's going to be 2b to the third, right? Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is this and this, are these like terms? No. I just write it out. We're done. 6 plus 2b to the third over 5b squared. Done. Finished. And you're like, wait, that's it? That's it. You're done. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Good job. People panic and think, I don't know what to do here, because they don't realize that they're done. This is why people struggle. Don't stop struggling. You're done. Good job. Next. All right, here, 6x squared, 5. Does it make sense that the common denominator is 30, right? 6 times 5 is 30. X squared. 30x squared. What's 6x squared? 6x squared times what makes 30x squared? Times 5. So I'm just going to write 5 times x plus 2y. Right? Because whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. Whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. I multiplied the bottom by 5. I'm multiplying the top by 5. All right. What am I doing on this one? 5 times 6x squared. Okay. So I'm going to put 6x squared times x plus y. I'm just multiplying the 6x squared times the x plus y, right? That's all. I'm going to distribute, yum, 5 times x plus 2y. My wife was just like, seriously? You're singing? Yes. Distribute 5x plus 10y over the 30x squared plus, over here, 6x squared times x is 6x to the third plus 6x squared y over 30x squared, right? Look at this now. Look at this. The 5x plus 10y plus 6x to the third plus 6x squared y. Can I combine any of that? No. So just write it. Just write it. 5x plus 10y plus 6x to the third plus 6x squared y. All I did was just write all the shiznazzle out, right? Over 30x squared. Done. Okay? Can I please have a thumbs up if you're still okay? Thank you. Javon, Jaden, Jennifer, Jamara, Andre, Daz, Kylie, Kalara, Miss Steinsberger, thank you. Jaden Hamlet, thank you. Riley, thank you. Roz, Jaden, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Please private chat me if you're not okay. It's okay if you're not okay. I just want to know. I want to know what love is. I want you to show me. All right. Same idea here, less complicated. All right. Would you agree that 3 times 5x squared third, 5x to the third is 15 x to the third is my common denominator, right? 15 x to the third. This gets multiplied by 5x to the third. So 2x times 5x to the third is 10x to the fourth. This guy gets multiplied by 3. Six times 3 is 18. Can I combine this and this? No. So I just write 10x to the fourth minus 18 over 15x to the third. Done. Okay. How about here? The common denominator, 2 and 6. 2 goes into 6, 6 goes into 6. So 6, right? X and y squared, right? Because you have y squared is inside 6xy squared, and xy is inside 6xy squared. Basically, you just put all of the letters together. Whatever the highest exponent is, that's your common denominator. Okay, since I have 1x there, I got to throw 1x in. Okay. This guy gets multiplied by what? 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And the x. Okay. This guy gets multiplied by just y, right? 6xy times y makes 6xy squared. So we have 3x times x minus 6y plus 4y. You know what? It's 4y times y, right? What's 4y times y? 4y squared. Okay. I'm going to distribute over here. Okay. 3x squared minus 18xy over 6xy squared. plus 4y squared over 6x y squared. Are there any like terms between this and this? No. No. So we just write. We just write it out. 3x squared minus 18x y plus okay, thanks, Nate. Plus 4y squared all over 6x y squared. Now, the only thing I want to say here is since you have multiple choices today, all right, if this were written like, I don't know, say, if you had 4y squared plus 3x squared minus 18yx all over 6xy squared. Do you agree that these two are the same exact answer? It's just a different order, okay? So don't panic if you see it in a different order. The order doesn't matter, okay? Can I have one more thumbs up here? We still good? Des, Javon, Trey, Jennifer, Janaya, Jaden Lindsay, Miss Steinsberger, thank you. Riley, Lamont, thank you. Sam, Kylie, Jaden Hamlet, thank you. Trey, thank you. Aiden, Jaden, Roz, thank you. Sam, okay. All right. In the chat, I just posted today's assignment, okay? So, I believe I gave you 12 problems, okay? So please do the 12 problems now, get it over with, get it out of the way, all right? I'm gonna sit with you while you're doing it, get her done, all right? Of course you finished yours, Jaden Lindsay. All right. So, goodness gracious, you guys just work through it while I'm teaching, and you just, you know what, hang on, let me just see. I'm sure you did fine. I just want to see. Hang on. Oh my God, 15 people already. Look at you guys. Look at you in your hundreds. All right, now, I see, like, for example, someone got a 40, all right? That can happen because you accidentally submitted or something. You can click on the link again and do it again. So please, if you only got a 40, or even if you got a 90 and you want to try it again, you know, to get a perfect score, go ahead and do that, okay? I'll always give you the higher the scores that you get, all right? If you ever try a second time and you get a lower score, I will always leave you with the higher score, okay? So don't ever panic about that. All right. So here's what I will say. Alyssa, Jaden Lindsay, Daz, Nate, Janaya, Lamont, Sam, Aiden, Clara, Danny, Kylie, Jaheim, Jordan, Keon, you guys are good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. All right, now, while the rest of you are working, I'm gonna stick with you here, but I'm gonna make my daughter her breakfast. That's what we do during these COVID times.
Mr. Weiss,
Talk to me, Riley.
where do I go to find this? On Delta Math, right?
No, no.
Oh.
Can you look in the chat? First of all, I posted it in your grade book. You can click on it in the grade book, or you can just click on it in the chat. You see it in the chat?
Yeah.
Just click on it. Jaden Hamlet. Hold on a second. Jaden, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. I'm not muted. Hold on a second. News to share with me, okay. Jennifer, have a good day. Say no to drugs.
I got a lot of presents and.
Javon, Sophia,
I got two.
yeah, Jamara, you guys are good. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Miss Steinsberger, we'll see you later, or are you already gone? Questions? Patience, have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Bye, Mr. Wise.
Bye.
Where is my key? Where are my keys? I think it left me go.
No such thing. They're all called right angles. Okay,
Daddy, I can't hear you.
good.
So, she's in class.
Okay. Trey, have a good day. Say no to drugs. This is only for after you sweat.
Huh?
You can only have this after you sweat.
One said I couldn't have it. I said I'm allowed to have them in the morning.
Okay.
Mommy, Daddy said I could only have theater in the first one.
Yeah, I gave you this in the morning and then this day and that's it. You don't have to worry about that hospital. In fact, it's absolutely right. And you know, that's very good. Yeah, and I.
All right, Andre, Raz, I'm closing out the meeting. Have a great day. Get your work done. Say no to drugs.